This is Mara on the 5-minute time frame. Here are your price targets for Tuesday. We ended the day at $22.56, up 13.65%. Congratulations if you've made money off of this ticker. This is where we ended. To the north side from where we are takes us to another level of resistance and a potential take profit area. 2298 above that at 3 standard deviations and another level of resistance, 2359. And should we be so lucky as to hit this level in one day at 4 standard deviations from where we are, 2422. And if we do hit this area, I will anticipate a pullback as people take their profits and they run, they will lock in and they will leave. Now to the south side, VWAP in the blue takes us to 2185, close to the middle of the trend, which is roughly 2169. Below that, at -2 standard deviations and another level of support. There are many levels of support between here and at 3 and 4 standard deviations. Now to the south side of this takes us to a gap fill to the south side at 1991. Below that, 1981, and ignore the pink line. That is a previous buy-in line for me, which I have sold out. 1916, looking left. You can see we hit support and a bounce up to resistance. And then I anticipate once we possibly hit this level to come back down and then possibly grind our way back up again. The 1-year price target is $27. We've already hit $22.43. So again, $27 is what we're working towards, but that could be a very long ways away. I bought in a while ago. Where was it? Over here. Sold out over here at 10%. And there's a gap. This is my old buy line too. I've sold out of this as well. So if we drop back down to this level, I like this gap level a lot. At 1369, I will consider buying back in again because there are many tickers I'd like to get in on. And I am patient. So we've got other gaps. Oh, I guess I bought in down here a long time ago as well. It's been a while since I've looked at Mara, but we've got this and this to deal with. Not in the channel, not in the zone, not even close. We are in an upward channel on the 5-minute time frame, moving away from the gaps to the south side. Now the next one I want to take a look at is another winner here at Tesla at $209.86, up 6%. We have been running lately. This is in my Gap and Go video that I made over the weekend. So first, let's give you some price targets for Tuesday. So we are basically at the middle of the trend. To the north side, one level of resistance takes us to 215.64, 219.09, and 22.39, and that will take and wipe out this gap if we should get to this level. Now, to the south side, VWAP close, 208.99 in the blue. Below that, 202.42, 199.17, 198.10 closes us out, and 195.72. So this gap is still in play, but we are moving farther away from that in an upward channel, not going down to hit that. And if we do, we will see price go sideways and then start to make our way down before we hit down here, which is not there. Okay, see the bounce here at support, sell off at resistance, resistance. And this gap closed out. Oh, and this gap, while I'm here, I might as well just talk about it. I hope I dragged the right one. Yeah, let me just move this out of the way and this one out of the way. So previously, I was talking about this gap at 207.43, and on Monday, today, we closed out of the gate right there to the north side at 207.43. So that is, well, I'll leave that and do an update when I recap the gap and go trades from here to here at the 5th. And then the next gap is this one. I will drag that out. We are in the realms, so that could definitely touch on Tuesday. I'm going to leave this right here. I don't know when it's going to touch. I just drag it out. And then after that, do we have more that I was tracking? Oh, I'll look at this later in the big picture on the daily to see what other gaps I've drawn out for myself. And so we have this one that closed out, and these gaps here have closed out too. So let me delete all of these. Garbage, garbage, garbage. And then this gap is done also, and we touched right there, which I didn't clean up from previous week. So that one took us to roughly 202.52. All right, so our next target, we'll take out this at 219.83. And that does it for me. That is a look at Mara and Tesla on the 5-minute time frame. Have a great trading day.